Launching a YouTube channel on your phone has never been so easy. With the right approach, I'm going to walk you through. You don't need expensive gears to start with. All you need is your phone. More than 80% of successful YouTubers started their channel with just their phone. In this video, I will teach you how to open a YouTube app on your phone, accessing your channel account, create your channel name, customize your channel, add a channel description, explore settings and privacy options, and how to upload your first video. To launch a YouTube channel on your phone, go through your phone web browser. You may have Firefox, Opera Mini, Google Chrome. In this case, I will be using Google Chrome. Search for https://m.youtube.com. Tap on it. To create a channel, you must first of all create a Google account or a Gmail account. Connect your browser to desktop site by clicking on the three dots at the right hand side. Select the desktop site. Tap on the sign in. In this case, you can see a picture profile, meaning that phone had been used to open a Gmail account. I will walk you through how you can create new by tapping on that profile picture. It will take us to this page. Google sign in. Select create account. Follow the prompts to the last. After following the prompts, you will be taken back to this site. Let's switch to the new account we created by tapping that profile picture. The account is Emeka James. Tap on it. Tap on the A icon. Tap on the create a channel. Select create a channel. Now name your channel. Add a handle. Now create channel. From here, every other thing pertaining settings are going to be done on YouTube Studio through web browser, Google Chrome, and the search for studio.youtube.com. Continue. This is my studio. Tap on customization icon. Profile under channel customization. Here I'm required to put the banner image. Banner image is what you see at the top of every channel, identify or to represent that channel. If you would like for me to show you how you can create your banner image, type on the comments section. Teach me how to create a banner image. To add your studio profile picture, tap upload. It will take you direct to your picture gallery. Browse. Select your picture. Done. You scroll down. Under your name, you can see Emeka Arts. This is the handle at Emeka Arts. about the description. Here is the place that you have to tell the viewers about your channel, what type of content you create. If you don't know how to write a description, go to ChatGTP and ask ChatGTP to write a good description for your channel. You have to tell ChatGTP the kind of content you do create. After writing, copy it down here. When you are done here, scroll down, select this gear icon. Under settings, general, the default units is on US dollar. Leave it as it is. Select channel. Under channel, go to country of residence. As I am Nigeria, hit this down arrow and select the country. Now under keywords, choose the keywords of the content you are creating and input it in here. Make sure each keyword is being separated with comma, like video editing, comma, scaling up your video, comma. Go up again and choose advanced settings. Here, select the audience you are creating your content for. Are your contents for adults? Are they for kids? You must make a choice here. If it is not meant for kids, just select no. This channel is not for kids. Make sure you go down and select save. Go back again and select settings. Then under channel again, go to future eligibility. There are 3 tiers in future eligibility. Number 1, standard future. Standard future is all about upload videos, create playlists, add collaboration, and this had been enabled by default. The second tier is known as intermediate future. It will allow you to create videos over 15 minutes, to customize your thumbnail, and to carry out live streaming. To enable it, you have to press the down arrow. Go to verify phone number. You can choose between these 2 options, either to text you, coach, or call you with automated voicemail. Select your country. Nigeria is there, yes. What phone number do you want to be verified with? Put your phone number at the slots provided. Hit on next. They will send a text code to the phone number you inputted. Go to next. Submit. Phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Select save. To upload your video to your channel, go to your studio. Through your studio web browser, go to the top right. Tap the create. Tap upload video. Select file. Media picker. Search for the video which you have pre-recorded. Tap on it. Tap on select. Type in the title of the video. Come to second box. It's about the description of the video you are in currently. Describe it here. Go to the thumbnail. If you have created a thumbnail for this particular video, tap on upload file and it will take you direct to that thumbnail you have created. Choose it. Tap on show more. Paid promotion. Did you reach any contracts to advertise a company? If yes, tick that box. Tick this box. If not, untick it. Automatic chapter. Do you want YouTube to program your chapters automatically? If yes, leave it check. If not, uncheck it. You will go to the description and they key in your chapters. Tag your video. Go ahead and tag it. Publish to subscriptions. If you are a new YouTuber, as you are posting new, uncheck this because you haven't gotten subscribers. If you check it, it will look for your subscribers to push this content to. But for now, uncheck it. YouTube will study your content and they push it to various people who need such content. Tap next. Here is your video. Tap save. Go to the menu options by your right hand side and tap on contents. This is the video you just uploaded. Tap on it. Here you can play your video. Launching a YouTube channel on your. Now that you have learned how you can launch your YouTube channel, do your settings and upload your first video, what are you going to do next? If you have found interest in this video, like, share and subscribe to this channel.